Hello and good evening, everyone. Sorry to disturb. I call all of you on a video call to get an update regarding our project on redesign our office space. I would like to discuss on a few styles that best suit our office space. You can explain on your point of view on why you choose the style. We have two, which is style A and style B.
Hello, Miss Shifa. I'm excited to discuss on what style best suits our office space.
Good evening, Miss Shiva. Right now, I'm not very busy yet. Sure, we can discuss about our new projects very clearly.
Hi and good evening, Miss Shifa. Do not worry. Now I do not have any activities to do. By chance, I also plan to discuss this matter with you all.
It's probably worth it redesigning our office space into an open plan office space because it can create a more engaging environment where we can get to interact with each other without any physical barrier. I suggested style A as information flows efficiently in an open plan office space rather than have to walk from office to office. Another advantage of it is open plan office space are user friendly. Why? Because they're more energy efficient as we can save up on our utility bills and cut costs on certain office equipments as well. Equipments such as photoset machine, stationaries and etc.
That's a good idea. I love your opinion because right now we must think on how to save money, especially on utilities. By coming up with the idea on open plan office space, we are indirectly saving on the costing for utilities.
Yes, I do agree with you guys. I think everything you say about style A is right. But have you thought about space office type B? You should consider building closed office because I think some employees prefer working in an enclosed space so that they can concentrate on their work and complete tasks given on time. So it would be better to choose type B as a new design for our office. Style B also have advantage like private space. This is because most of them need some privacy to handle their own work and to be in their own comfort zone to come up with creative ideas on how they can contribute and hit target sales for the month.
That's a great opinion, Shafika, because we will be more focused when we are in a quiet space where we can think and perform better. The quality of the outcome in our work task can be seen. Speaking of style 8, it will be a bit nursing because we will not be able to focus and it is difficult for us to complete the task immediately, especially when the task require more idea.
Sorry, but I disagree with you, Bakis. I think we should consider with style A because style B have a lot of disadvantage. For example, we will not be able to interact social with our colleagues and we will only be focused on work like robot in the office. Oh no, it's so boring and it can be stressful sometimes. Besides, it is old-fashioned too. As you can see nowadays, most office prefer style A as a design because they find it more relaxed and in the interior looks modern.
That's right, but heavy style it will be difficult to have a private conversation. When we want to discuss something important, we have to use some other private space in the office so that it is quiet and comfortable to discuss professionally.
Thank you so much for the opinion from both parties. It's good to know that we are aware of the pros and cons of both the designs. I would suggest we go for style B as work performance and quality of our work are more important where we can have more privacy and be more focused on our work. Looking at both sides, I think advantage of style B outweighs the advantages of style A. Do you all of you agree with me? Shall we have style B to redesign our office space?
Exactly, this is the best answer that I want to hear. So I will update you later on what needs to be done future. Thank you for your cooperation.
That's a good idea, Karthika. I will accept any decision that is the best for our office, and I hope the decision made will benefit our entire team to perform better and hit the sales target for the month.
That's great. I agree with your suggestion as well. This will be a good decision made that can make a difference to all of us.